I mean, if you're human and you live in Earth, I presume you know as ChatGPT by now. I mean, if you don't, then maybe you're not from here. But okay, let's say you don't know it. Okay, but I think I'm pretty sure everybody knows. But let's say you don't know it. So what is ChatGPT? So ChatGPT is a natural language processing tool driven by AI technology that allows you to have a human-like conversation and much more. Well, the language model can answer like questions and assist you with tasks like composing emails, essays, and code. But ChatGPT is so much more. The power of the thing is just as out of this world. I mean, I've been using that thing to like do my schoolwork. I mean, obviously I shouldn't be using it, but I've been using it. But that thing is just wow. You just put in the question the way it is, it will tell you the answer is A, the answer is B, or this is the answer, and give you the whole thing. The thing is powerful. Like wow, my word, that thing is so powerful, man. It's crazy. So, but how can we use this to actually to our advantage? Like use it to benefit you in a financial way, right? What are its capabilities? ChatGPT is a very powerful AI tool. It is part of AI. As we all know that AI is an upcoming industry, and I believe AI will make future millionaires. This is the chance to take right now. AI is gonna make a lot of people millionaires. You gotta go with the time. People are scared that AI is replacing jobs. People are scared that AI is growing so fast. Yes, that's how it's gonna be. That's how human evolution works. We evolve. We're gonna keep evolving. Nobody is not gonna stop for you just because you lane. It's gonna replace a lot of jobs and you need to evolve with it. This is your chance to become a millionaire with AI. But how can we use this to our advantage? Well, I tried an experiment. I said, ChatGPT, I have $13 to my name. How can I make more money from this $13? It gave me step-by-step instructions of how I can go from $13 to $100 to $1,000. The same ideas it gave to me, it won't give them to you. So it keeps regenerating more ideas. How do you find ChatGPT? You can get it on Chrome, search openai. With it, you have to be more like specific. You have to go into like detail what you actually want. Tell it like, I want to be a millionaire. ChatGPT, I want to be a millionaire. Okay. Tell me how can I be a millionaire? Boom. It's gonna tell you so crazy ideas. Crazy ideas. Like gonna even giving you the name of the company. Like, yo, call this company this. Do this. Do this. Do this. That thing is immaculate. How can you make money from this? Ideas that ChatGPT actually came up with that you could take for yourself and pursue them, or you could just create your own from these ideas. Number one, Chrome extensions. What are Chrome extensions? Well, Chrome extensions are like the things that help you your browsing, your internet browsing, like very helpful, like very, very. And a lot of people make a lot of money. We're talking about from 10K to 40K. Get onto ChatGPT and be like, ChatGPT, code me a Google extension. Number two, a game. I know a lot of people aren't really interested into games, but if you ever want to go into the game industry, ChatGPT is your key. You don't even need to go to school. But the thing about it is that it doesn't code like very complex games, but you can code like a game that is more like very enjoyable and very easy. And just go out to people, pitch it to people, and get people playing it. You can maybe get people to play that game for money, you know, because that's what I did. Because I'm talking from something where I went to ChatGPT and I said, ChatGPT, code me a game, and guess what it did? That thing coded me a flipping gambling game. Okay, I probably made like, there's a video of me where I vlog this. So if you have time, check it out. If you really want to pursue that very much, then go ahead, post it on Play Store. You can make a shit ton of money. So number three, writer. Here is a smart way for you to make money if you're a teenager. A smart way, because I know in school, they make you write a shit ton of work. Like they make you write so much work, man. Like it's so annoying. I offer this. I'm a writer. If you want an essay wrote, if you need an essay, I can write it for you. The person's gonna tell you that, okay, I'm writing an essay based on World War II, about Hitler, about Germany versus. You get on ChatGPT and you're like, ChatGPT, write me be specific. Maybe write me a 3,000 words essay about World War II, Germany versus what. Then you give it off and then you sell it to the person. Just like that. I know, okay? I know. Crazy.